Okay, so now you've purchased your domain name and web hosting. The next thing you need to do now is to install WordPress. This is software you'll be using to set up and design the WordPress blog or website itself. So check the email address you used to sign up to purchase the domain name and hosting. You see this headline here, your hosting welcome guide to the domain name. Okay, so just scroll down and check for this section here, see panel access, and click this website's URL here, just click it. So this is how it will look like, and then insert the username and password given to you. So, and then you log in. So make sure you keep this email safe, don't delete it, keep it private and secret, because for security purposes, because if someone has access to it, they might get access to many details within your website or blog, and then it's open to security threats and hacking. So keep it very safe and secret. So right here on the C panel, just scroll down to the section called Stop Course App Installer and click WordPress. So right on WordPress page here, click Install Now. Usually be making some settings, some setup. So as you can see, so the version, leave the version at this is the latest version, software version. Then the installation URL. So if the domain name that appear here is the one that you want to use to set up your WordPress blog, then leave it. If it's not the one, just check here and select the name. It will probably be the name, definitely. So then for this place, if you bought the SSL certificate, that's the site security made simple, about $4 of a thing. If you purchase that one as well, then make sure you check https www. Or if you didn't buy it, just choose this one without S. Okay. So for this class, I'm going to be using this one as a demo. Alright, so site settings there, we have site name, description. So what's the name, what the site name all about? So just give it a name. You can always make changes later in case you have better ideas or content. So give it a description that people can quickly know what your website or blog stands for. So then enable multi-site, don't just leave it, don't check it. Then come to admin account. So this is the username and password. This is where you create your username and password. So you insert your username here, and then you input your password. Okay. So and then you add your email address here. Okay. So it could be your Gmail, it could be the email address you created. This username, remember, this name is what will be appearing whenever you publish a post. You know, you might probably see a blog post and you see published by this. So for this one, for instance, it will be published by only. So make sure you choose a name that you want to project to your audience. You want your audience to know you for. So like I said, you can always come and back and change this later. Okay. So now for choose language, leave it as English. Probably it's going to be English you choose. If you have other languages here, you can also choose from. Then select plugin. Then check this one, it's useful. Then check classic editor as well, it's useful, and leave the rest. You don't need the rest for now. This one is okay. Then advanced option, the database name, leave it. Table prefix, leave it. Then disable this, just don't check it. Auto upgrade, yes, you can automatically upgrade the software. You can check here. Then auto upgrade for plugins, check this place as well. So for theme, just leave it. Then backup, leave those ones for now. You can always come back and make changes. Then select theme, don't select anything for now, leave it. Then email installation details. So input the email address you inserted here before. So that's where all the installation details will be sent to you privately. So let me use this. So go through everything again one more time to make sure every details inputted is correct. Okay, and then When you're okay with it, click the install button. So while the software is installing, so you have to wait for about 3 minutes. Okay, most time it will be lesser than that. As you can see, that's finally installed. So congratulations, the software was installed successfully. So now, so this is the URL for your blog or website, and this is the admin section. This is where you'll be making further designs. Okay, this is the URL. So let's open it. Alright, so this is the website, and this is the admin section. Okay, so remember that password, then make sure you store it. Password. Okay, so that's how you can install your WordPress blog. Okay.